Hey guys, this is Zach with Savage Traveling. You see poked out the window there, a little bit of Songkran festivities going on here. It's early in the afternoon still, so things will just get crazier out there as the day goes by. But I wanted to show you a little bit about this room I'm in. This is the Khaosan Green House Hotel and Restaurant. You can see that right there, maybe. Not a bad spot. It's on Rambutri Alley or street, whatever you want to call it. There's a restaurant downstairs. I ate there last night. It's not too bad. Price is fair, I thought. But I was just going to show you this room. This is a 17 a night, so it's a little more pricier than the last week or two of rooms, honestly. Probably just because it's their holiday and there's a million people in town, like literally. These streets will be packed, like it'll be packed here later. I'm gonna go down in a little bit, get some daytime footage, and then I'll be back out at night to get some nighttime footage and hopefully throw a decent video together about that, because this is way crazier than the video I did about the Koh Samui celebration, because that was like a day before they really were actually celebrating. But anyways, you got two single beds here. Thai money, we'll get to that in a minute. And this little refrigerator. Plenty of outlets. You got that ones, and you got the ones behind the bed there, little lights behind the bed. It's not bad, but I said like $17 a night. For 4 nights it cost me like $68, I think, something like that. Like whatever, that's a night in the United States, you know what I mean, for a room that's not any better than this too. Got a TV. I don't ever work with them. Super cold air conditioning. Got a little sink out here. You can look out, brush your teeth with this decent view, you know, nothing spectacular, but you can see the bridge over there, some buildings. You can see the festivities in the street, which is pretty cool. You get your bathroom here, nothing fancy. Toilet, this is the only one I've stayed in without a gun, a little butt gun or whatever you want to call it. That's crazy. Window here, shower, hot water. I'm drying that shirt right now. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's go out here real quick first though. I'll show you this. This is pretty cool. Right here, you got a little patio, smoking patio. Somebody's drying their stuff out here. Underwear. Yeah, a little neat here. Little views of just the neighborhood around. So, there's the water tanks. That's what I was hearing all night long. I had to put in earplugs because these pumps right here ran constantly all night long. No big deal though. Yeah, not a bad spot. I like this view though. Get down here. Like this. I like that over there. That's cool. It's people living, you know. We'll go back in here. But I want to talk a little bit about Thai money here. This is 1,000 baht bill. See him? This is equivalent to about 32 US right now. And this one is a 500 baht bill. It is about $16, just rough, like $16 and a couple cents. And then you got 100. The 100 baht bill is that is $3.20, and 20 is like under $1. I don't know, like 60, 70 cents, something like that. I can't remember. But that's the Thai money. There's a 50 baht bill that would go here, but I don't have one right now. You know, a little different than America, but nothing too crazy. Okay, but this is the Greenhouse Hotel and Restaurant. I can't ever remember the names of the places I stay in. But it's Songkran here, and I'm gonna go down here shortly and get some video in the daytime. And then I'm gonna, you know, when it gets real crazy tonight, go out and fight the crowd and get some up close and personal video of what was going on last night, which is kind of mind blowing. I don't know how to. The only way I can explain it is I'll shoot a video later about it, and then you can judge for yourself. But other than that, you know, nice place, safe. That I can't open, you know, so it's if there's anything in there, it's real safe. Here's some coins. You got your 10 baht coin, your 5 baht coins, 2 baht coins and then single baht coins. 2 towels came with this thing, 2 towels. You got soap right there. Yeah, just your standard place. You got your Wi-Fi password on the wall. There's your incidentals. If you you know, break something or steal something, they're going to charge you for it. How much is the refrigerator, does it say? Oh, no. But the refrigerator's nice to have. I've only been in one room with it, without it, and I like cold water. So the fridge is awesome for me. Yeah. But anyway, you got my bag. You can see my bag there. Got kind of baby powdered last night trying to walk through this huge crowd. It took me 45 minutes to get, like, seriously, like 3 or 4 blocks. It was so packed with people, and you're like, But we made it, and my computer didn't get wet because I took this poncho here and I wrapped it up because, like, I can't afford to replace my computer. Probably I won't be able to afford to replace it for several years at this point because, I mean, it's a nice computer. But anyways, this is Zach with Savage Traveling, and thanks for looking at my room. Peace.